What's up, guys? First off, I want to start out, I don't feature a lot of high-end drills on my channel because this is for DIY, entry-level type stuff. That being said, out of all the stuff I've tested, I don't think I've actually ran a bad drill or impact, except for the Shop Series drill was absolutely shit. That being said, today we're going to look at something different. I also wanted to let you guys know or ask your opinion. I have the Work Pro Impact and the Hyper Tough. I was going to do a teardown video of them. I started on the Work Pro and I got interrupted, but pretty nice looking inside. But if you guys actually want to see it, let me know and I'll make the videos. I enjoy doing them, but at the same time, once you've seen the inside, you've seen the inside. This video is a little different. I'm just going to show you. I bought a while ago the compact brushless impact 18 volt Milwaukee, and it came with a drill. I don't show this stuff because of the fanboy shit, but I will say you can't go wrong with Milwaukee. It's very good stuff. Their M12 line is what I mostly invested in, and I could not be happier. I'll do videos here and there on them, but people know that it's a good product. The one that I wanted to test it up against is going to be the Makita subcompact. It is brushless. And the reason I wanted to do this is I really like Makitas, and a lot of people don't talk much about them, but everything you hear is good. And so I wanted to dive into Makita a little bit. I think subcompacts are definitely great for a lot of applications, and I'm excited to use it. I think the thing I like about Makita is they're tried and true. Yeah, they haven't updated a lot of their stuff. They are doing it, but also the guys who've been running it will go back and buy the same brushed impact that they've had for 10 years because it works. So I thought this would be a cool test to do. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Let me know which one you think is going to do better. And let me know what kind of test you want me to do with them. Do you want stats? Do you want battery runtime on these 2 amp hour batteries? Or do you want me to do my normal test where I just see what they can do? Let me know. I think it should be fun. And just wanted to show a little love for the Makita brand, because they are good and should be freaking awesome. Catch you guys on the next one.